Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is Wednesday, November 18th or November 19th. Sorry. Made around $3,600 today trading the Nasdaq. My fire alarms are on. If you guys hear some beeping in the background, testing my fire alarms. So that's going to be the context for that. Made around 1,150 on my live account and made 2,500, let's just call it that, on Tradify, right? Basically 1 day away from a 10K payout. Now, let's go over what I saw in the markets today, right? So coming into market open, I was honestly bearish. I was extremely bearish. Why was I bearish? Let's get rid of these highs. What do we see on the daily? We are in a clear downtrend on the daily, on the 4-hour. We are in a clear downtrend on the 4-hour. Not anymore, obviously, but at this point in time, price was trading all the way down here, right? So we created a 4-hour order block and we were respecting it. We were pushing lower. Same thing on the hourly time frame. You can see we create an hourly order block. We actually end up tapping into OTE with the hourly order block and started pushing lower, right? On top of that, on the 15-minute time frame, we push lower on the 15-minute time frame, tapping into this 15-minute gap, 15-minute CISD right here. Tap into it, reject, close lower. From there, we make a 5-minute bearish gap. We tap into it, and we do end up closing lower. Right, so at this point in time, what do I see? I see, if this shit loads, we have London lows, midnight open, previous day low, as well as this 4-hour swing low right here, right? And we are rejecting this 5-minute gap coming out of a bearish 1-hour order block, coming out of OTE, coming out of a 4-hour bearish order block. I'm extremely bearish, right? So what trade do I take? Coming out of this order, sorry. I want these swing lows to get taken, at least. Was there an SMT there? No, there actually was not. This is the weirdest edge ever. I enter shorts here at 929. Stops above this order block. TP here is a 1 to 2.5 risk reward. I did not lose this trade. If someone actually watches what happened at market open, you could see how. Let's see if we can see like half the candle play out. You can't even see that. All right. Well, if you saw how this candle actually opened, right, you would see price opened all the way down. So it opens here, goes lower, and then fully reverses. So when price was all the way down here, I did go break even, and this ended up being a break even trade, and I lost nothing across any of my accounts. So basically was a straight up win there, straight break even. A break even is a dub, right? From there, hop onto the hourly time frame. What do I see? I'm seeing, all right, we edged this low. That's weird. Maybe we just want to retrace into this 5-minute order block and push lower. No, we don't. We end up inversing that 5-minute gap, and around here I start looking for longs. We inverse the 5-minute gap, create a 5-minute bullish change in state of delivery, right here. Now we have these highs resting above us, right? So once we get a bullish 5-minute CISD coming out of this hourly bullish order block while respecting this hourly bullish gap, I'm now bullish. I'm now telling myself, all right, we clearly want to push higher, right? Scratch these draws out because price is respecting this hourly order block, this hourly bullish FEG, and we clearly have draws above us, right? So what am I going to do? I'm going to wait for a valid entry, right? We tap into a bullish 3-minute gap, right here. So hourly gap, 3-minute gap, hourly order block. We push higher, 5-minute change state of delivery. And from there, we do get a 1-minute displacement to the upside right here. Stops below the low, TP at the high, right? Risk reward is a 0.9, a little bit negative. But this was the winner for the day. That made me this on live, right? 2 contracts on this trade. And how much on Tradify? I took an Asia short, which I'll go over right now. If you guys want to know about that, I do scalp Asia once in a while, very rarely, and I really don't recommend it, especially if you're new to trading. But I find it very hard to trade my live account with my funded accounts. So once in a while, if I see a good setup in Asia, I'll take it. And let's see if I could find it. Yes. Hold up. Hold up 1 second. And yes, I can find it right over here. We have this internal low right over here. We are trading between this bearish hourly gap. I believe I entered in around, I want to say here. Okay, no, it wasn't this, it was this right here. We push up into an hourly bearish gap. We make an SMT at this high. We push up into this order block, close lower. I'm not gonna switch time frames. There's obviously 5-minute confluences, but if I go to the 5-minute, I'm gonna lose where the fuck I am. Just know there was an order block here. I entered here. This was my trade. I entered this with, I believe it was 5 micros, which I never trade micros, but I did trade this with 5 micros. Just because it's Asia, so it's less probable, and B, I'm $200 away from a $10,000 payout. I'm not gonna be stupid with my risk. So hopefully tomorrow I can catch a nice trade, if not today in Asia, for a $200 scalp. And that would be a $10,000 payday with Tradeify, which would be fantastic, right? And if you do want those Tradeify instant funded accounts, please use code ALE. It's going to save you literally the best discount you can get, right? I'm not sure what prop firm deals there are running 24/7, but if you use my code ALE, you're going to get the best discount on any prop firm you fucking use. Or that I use, just Alpha and Tradeify, only firms I'm actually affiliated with, right? But the trade of the day was definitely based off this. Hourly order block, hourly gap, 5-minute change in state and delivery, right? 3-minute gap, 1-minute displacement to the upside. It created an order block, stops below the order block, TP at the internal high. You would have bagged today. Some of my students took this. I believe I just got a text from one of my students saying, first payout. Bro. Shout out Ryder if you're seeing this shit. Payout number 1, here I come. Fully changed my life. Actually goated, bro. Same fucking trade too. Same fucking trade. I teach my students to take the same trade. Those are my goats, bro. Overall, pretty clean and simple read today. Not fucking bad at all. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them. I will be there to answer. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.